Hello everyone, welcome to our third webinar. Today we will talk about IT operations and implementation with Bitrix. So today we have Kshitij with us from Acemagick, and Acemagick is our gold partner company.
Hi, Hemant. It's always nice talking to you. Thank you so much for the beautiful introduction.
Thank you, Kshitij, for taking time. Kshitij, we can start now. And as I mentioned, today we'll cover IT journey with Bitrix and implementation. So, could you
Sure.
please share a little bit about your background in IT and journey with Bitrix as of now?
So basically, as you told me about the introduction and also about me, that how so I started my career in CRM and task and project management softwares only, and it started from Zoho, and then it went to Pipedrive, and then it landed on Bitrix24, which is a very beautiful software, and it provides all-in-one solution for every problem if a company is facing all across the globe, and we are managing it very fantastically. As a company, we are Ace Magic, and I'm managing the sales and marketing operations there. And I'm managing a team of few people also, and then managing our clients also with regards to their requirements, and then any of their queries, support queries also. So I'm managing all these. We are in overall we are having 18 plus years of experience in the software industry, and as Ace Magic, we are from 6 years we are into Bitrix24 dedicatedly, solely focusing on Bitrix24 and their implementation, support for the clients, and of course, the training of the clients with regards to Bitrix24. And our strength lies in our live solutioning call, like how we used to map Bitrix24 and customers' requirement. And customer requirements, we used to map in Bitrix24, and we used to show them live about our capabilities and what Bitrix24 can do to their system, and how they can help you with regards to the software, and how Bitrix24 can help with regards to their management, overall employee management. And of course, the revenue also will get increased and hiked with regards to Bitrix24.
That's great, Kshitij. Thank you so much for the information. So, we'll jump onto the second question. So, can you just tell me how does Bitrix24 improve IT operations and what are the main benefits for IT systems?
Sure. So I'll quickly share my screen so that it will be very helpful for you to understand about how we have implemented with the screenshots. I
Right.
will present my screen so that you will get more and better understanding about the same.
Right. That will be great, Satish. Thank you.
Okay, so basically, Bitrix24 is not just a CRM, or if not just a task management tool. You can see the screenshot. It basically provides a unified platform for communication, for lead management, task management, employee management, even project management, their process management, workflow management, and of course, they can integrate multiple tools here also, multiple other third party tools like IndiaMart, Facebook, WhatsApp, and all other social media platforms also. And if they need some lead generation platform also to get integrated here, so that also is possible. Then Bitrix24 provides video calling, voice calling options are also there. We can schedule meetings also there, and we can enhance all their features, and we can put all those features into the current software, which Bitrix24 can help the companies to use it and to organize it more according to their business. That this is the basic, and you can say it's a very important tool which Bitrix24 is providing all across the globe for the organizations in any industries you are catering, or we are catering together.
That's great. Thank you, Kshitij. So we can jump to our next question. Can you please give some example where Bitrix 24 made a big difference in IT management? If you have any case study or you want to share something with us.
Sure. So basically, although we have implemented for more than 80, 90 plus organizations, okay, but currently I'll give you a example about a very good customer we are having from recurring 3 years. He's renewing from us also. Basically, what they were having is they were having some around 80 to 90 people in their organization. but they were lacking, and they were lacking of leads, kind of lead management they were lacking. They were lacking of communication tool. They were lacking of project management and task giving tool. So how we suggested them Bitrix24, and how we helped them into this is, first we started with the lead management. First we check that how they are using currently with their system, currently how they are using it, and what is their purpose of using it. So at that point of time they were using Excel sheet, where they were lacking of follow-ups, reports. They can't see the reports, they cannot see the follow-ups, and get in touch with the customer. Then who is the current salesperson, who is the responsible person for that particular lead. So Bitrix24 was very much better for their organization, because it was providing all-in-one solution to them. Like, they wanted lead management also, they wanted task management also, and they wanted a communication tool also, where internal employees can chat within their organization. So we suggested them, they liked the solution. We did live solutioning call for them, as I mentioned you earlier also during the introduction of the call, that our strength lies in live solutioning call. So basically we solutioned their business into Bitrix24. They used it for some time, they liked it, and they purchased it. After purchasal, we implemented the full setup for them. Like, first we implemented CRM, then we implemented project management, and then we implemented the communication process for them. And of course, the reports also we implemented for them. After that, for they used it for I think for few weeks, and they themselves told us that after some 3 months, 4 months, they are getting 30% more project management and better project management, and project revenues are also increasing, and they are managing 40% better team collaboration than before, because earlier they were using just WhatsApp. Okay. And then they saw that their team is very much efficient, because all the reports, analytics, filters, responsible person, sales targets, all these are coming into one unified platform itself. Okay, so that helped them so much that within 3 4 months they saw a very good hike into their company also. And after 1 to 2 years, I think they have increased their team size from 80 to 90 to around 180, 190, and then they upgraded to the topmost plan of Bitrix24, which is enterprise plan. And right now they are very happy, and they have passed the testimonial also for us, and they are very much using Bitrix24 for all their purposes with regards to Bitrix24 features and their management and their business process.
Yeah, that's great. Good to know about their achievement and the success in the 4 months which they have achieved. 30%, it's a great number.
Yeah.
Great, Kshitij. So now we can talk about some key features. So if you can share some ideas on which Bitrix24 features are most useful for IT professionals and why.
So Bitrix24, as I told you, is a unified, or you can say all-in-one solution platform for every business with regards to their management and with regards to their business process. So if you can see my screen, right? So we have implemented lead management. This is called as pipelines, which we customize for that particular customer, which we were talking about. Okay. Then we customize the projects management for them, as I told you. Then we customize the workflow for them. So Bitrix24 HR part for them also we customized. Multiple Bitrix24 is having multiple features. One is CRM, where they can manage their lead and deal management. Another one is task and project management, where they can make use of the task management, project management. They can assign the task, they can get the reports of that particular task and projects within the system itself. Then they are having collaboration, which is called as video calling, voice calling. In that particular plan itself, they are getting all these features. They don't have to pay separately, they don't have to buy separate links, separate URLs. In that particular single tool, they will get all the features. They will get HR features also. There are beautiful automation features, and there are very fantastic workflows that Bitrix24 is providing. Okay, and more than it, Bitrix24 is continuously implementing new and very fantastic enhanced feature for their clients. Like Copilot integration is there, so AI tool has very much launched for Bitrix24. Then they have launched Bitrix24 Sync, where in one go 100 people can join a meeting within Bitrix24 itself. You don't have to go third party for using these meetings and briefings. Then you have Bitrix24 has implemented Bitrix24 Vibe, which is a very new and very different and unique feature than any other CRM or any other software across the globe, because you can customize your dashboard beautifully with different themes, different reports, different person. You can see all those reports and all those teams here. So it makes very essential platform for IT teams and any other organization. And we have currently implemented for more than around 20 to 30 plus industries, which includes digital marketing, IT industry, modular kitchen industry, and then we have implemented for manufacturing industry, edutech industry, fintech industry, and very much implementing for visa and migration industry also. We have clients from abroad also. We have clients from India, from all parts of India, pan India. We are providing services. So this
That's
is.
great. Thanks for sharing this beautiful insights. It is so. See, when we talk about multiple features and integration and tools, so data, definitely data part will come. So can you just share some insight on data? I mean, how Bitrix24 protect client data and how it's compliant with IT regulations?
Yeah, sure. So Bitrix24 ensures that client data privacy is very important. Okay. And we have seen that they have been very much particular about the client security. Okay. They are not sharing any data. They are not making it visible. They are not even sharing with the partners also. They are not allowed, and they are not even sharing the customers requirements, anything with regards to Bitrix24 or anything regards to client. Bitrix24 is not sharing with us. And what we are doing with our customers is also very unique, that just right after the implementation, we are saying to our customers also that please remove us from their instance, so that they will feel very safe that even the partners are not accessing their data. Okay, although we are never accessing, but we are saying it for our safer side and for our better understanding and better communication and long-term relationship with the customer. And Bitrix24 has 600 servers, 16 data centers, and 99.9% availability. The downtime rate is 0.1%. And to be very honest with you, I have not seen any downtime in these 2 years from when I have joined Bitrix24 and Acemagick, and we are catering Bitrix24 customers. Bitrix24 it complies with IT industry regulations like GDPR compliancy, which is the topmost compliance level according to European Union. It's a EU level GDPR compliance. Then it offers audit logs also for the customers, for their administrator, for their owners. It offers audit logs. Then it supports data residency options also, which meets the legal requirements, and it ensures that the data is fully safe, and it has been hosted in a very separate and a very safe 256-bit encrypted data, encrypted encryption they are having in Amazon AWS. They have done, and they are already having multiple certifications also, like ISO certified, PCI DSS level also, and they have Directive 95/46 also, and there are multiple two-step authorization also available. So it handles client data privacy and ensures compliance with IT industry regulations very beautifully and very fantastically. And that's the thing.
Yeah, that's great. Good to know about the client data is fully secure with Bitrix24 servers and GDPR compliance. So yeah, so my next question is for operational impact. So can you just tell me some common IT challenges does Bitrix24 helps solve, and how does Bitrix24 improve communication and teamwork between IT teams, developers, and clients? How it's work?
Yeah, sure. That's a very beautiful question, because that's the most important question for any organization. If a client is coming to us, if a client is inquiring for Bitrix24 to us, right? So they must be facing some operational challenges. They must be having some pain points with regards to their business processes. They want to streamline their process. They want to get efficient. They want to get more productive within their teams. They want to use the resources very beautifully, use the resources very efficiently in their organization. So what we have seen multiple times, and almost every time we are seeing it with any customer we are using, is that if they are coming from an IT industry, because today we are talking about IT industry, so let's focus there only. So IT industry, if they are coming, right, so they are facing multiple challenges in one goal. Like, first, they are facing that they don't have a common view. Common view meaning what? That they are facing that they can't see the reports, they can't see the analytics, they can't see the what salesperson is doing on daily day-to-day basis. So this is the most common point and common challenge which any industry or even any person is facing in their organization, if they are the owner and if they want to use it very efficiently. Now, second they are facing is lead management. Lead management meaning what? Let's say that leads, because any company does not takes lead from one source only. So they have lead generation team also. They have multiple lead marketing team. They have multiple digital marketing teams also, which are working, and they have enrolled for multiple platforms also. Like, let's say we are having India Mart, Trade India, and then Sulekha, Just Dial. These all are lead generation platform. Then we have Meta, which includes Facebook and Instagram both. So what they are doing is, like, if they are coming here, if they are not using the software, then collating all the data together from different sources becomes very tough in any Excel sheet or any Google sheet. Okay, they can't manage it manually, and it becomes very tough for them to make it to use it or to assign it to the salesperson. So this is the most common challenge also. First one is the common view, second one is the lead management, the third one is the task management. So task management, if they want to assign, their project is going on, so they are facing very much difficulty with task management, with project management. They are unable to manage projects. They are unable to manage tasks properly. They are unable to get reports for those particular things. Then this is the third most common challenge within any organization. The fourth, and there are multiple challenges across, but let's talk about the important one only. They don't have any centralized or streamlined workflows also. Like, because as I told you that from one to second how the leads are going, okay, and from how it will work after pre-sales, after post-sales, how it will work within multiple pipelines, within multiple deals, multiple leads, and multiple salesperson. So all these things they are facing very much difficulties, which Bitrix24 is cent% improving their efficiency, and cent% I can say that they are very best providing the software for any organization across the globe.
Thank you, Kshitij, for sharing insights on challenges for IT and Bitrix and how Bitrix solves these challenges with their expertise. So now we'll talk about the customization and growth. So can you just tell me how Bitrix customize for different IT companies, and can Bitrix grow with the larger IT firms, and what does that process involve?
Sure. So Bitrix24 is a very good software with uh, we can customize Bitrix24 to a very good extent. Customizing includes integration also, okay, that we can integrate multiple third-party applications here via API, via webhooks, and via Bitrix24 as inside market also, where lot of applications are there. If I'm not wrong, then around 600 plus applications are there, and we can just download that application and we can use it with the login ID password if they have purchased a paid plan or if they have the key of that particular software. Okay, then with customization, you can say that we can integrate telephony also, the telephone, which is the very common and which is very popular, becoming very popular nowadays. Then we can integrate WhatsApp also here. And with customization, we can customize reports, we can customize the lead forms, we can customize deal forms, we can customize their industry specific process, we can customize their workflows, we can customize the dashboard reports, and we can customize everything with regards to the business process, what a person needs and what an organization needs. We can just customize it very beautifully in Bitrix 24.
That's great. Thank you, Sitish. So now we talk about operation impact and customization. Now the point comes to integration and the results. So yeah, can you just tell me, I mean, what's involved in integrating Bitrix24 into an exciting IT system, and how long does it take to see real results after starting with Bitrix24 in IT? So what will be the real impact when we do the implementation? So when can we see the results?
So, being very honest with you, because Ace Magic stands on values and honesty only. Our company stands on values and honesty. Being very honest with you, Bitrix24, when we are implementing for a customer, it takes some time according to the customer requirements. But our objective is to complete it in 1 day, 2 day only. So that customer can make use of Bitrix24 very fast because they have invested a chunk of money from their pocket or from their revenue, so we want them to use it as soon as possible. So what, whenever we are implementing for a customer, right? So after implementing, as you can see the screenshot also, we have implemented the workflows, we have implemented the the deal flows, we have implemented the deal pipelines, we have implemented for HR for them. So whenever we are implementing for a customer, we are keeping this in mind that at least they should start a basic flow within 1 2 days. Okay. And we are just distinguishing it within phases. Like let's say phase one, phase two, phase three. So like that, whenever we are going with a very good process and a very good mindset to complete it as soon as possible, at that point of time, we are seeing the results very fast. So within few weeks only, we can see the results that yeah, Bitrix24 is helping their organization very much. And whoever is using Bitrix24 to a good extent, organizations are using it to a very good extent, they are using it for all the purposes, and whatever we have implemented, they are using it, then they are always renewing it also. So retention becomes very easy, and retention become very important for them also, because their data is there, then their implementations are there. So all those things, and more than this, they have invested money also, and they have been very much dependent on Bitrix24 for their workflows, for their management, for their business flows. So they becomes very habitual, very used to the software. And that is what helps Bitrix24, and that is what helps Ace Magic also to retain the customers. Because if the implementation is very fantastic, right, then the customer can stay there for 10 years, 12 years, 15 years also. We have seen the results with different softwares also. Okay. But because our analysis says that only thing which improves the retention rate, which improves the client long term collaboration, long term relationship, is implementation. If the implementation is good, I am not saying fantastic, if the implementation is even good, then also the customer chances of renewing becomes more. Okay. And if the implementation is bad, okay, then the customer chances of retaining is becomes very low. Okay. So that is why we are focusing more on service, on our implementation training, and our support timing also, our that time that we comes very fast if the customer is coming for us for the priority issues, right? So at that point of time, we are providing the support to them within 2 hours, 3 hours also, and sometimes immediately also. But if it depends on the priority of the customer, it depends on the priority use of the customer, the priority implementation, the priority support query for the customer. So we are basically working on our service more, implementation, training, and support. We want to make it 100% quality, and we are working towards that direction only. And that is what we are focusing on, and we have seen good results with this.
Yeah, it's a wonderful turnaround time. 22, 24, 20, and 48 hours within this timeline we are doing implementation. And as you mentioned, for support, if it's urgent query, then you guys are solving the issue within 2 hours. So that is very good. And yeah, it's true as you mentioned. If you give good service, then customer will retain for the long time, long period. So yeah,
Yeah,
that is
yeah.
good, wonderful insight, Sitij. So my last question will be for future in IT. So can you just tell me what future IT trends do you think Bitrix 24 will be ready to support?
Okay, okay, sure. So nowadays, as you can see, it's called as AI era, right? So
Right.
what Bitrix24 is also doing, they are implementing AI across their software. Okay, like because see, this is now AI era, and everyone, every industry, it is not only about IT industry, it is about every industry, and particularly IT industry, they needs automation and they needs very fast results within their organization with whatever they are asking, whatever they are saying, whatever they are writing, they are typing. They want very fast. I mean, fast future trends, fast results within the organization. They don't want to wait for some time and like that. So it is very positive for us. That is why we can say that Bitrix24 is implementing new features uh, on a I mean they are implementing it very fantastically, and they are very much well positioning it into Bitrix24 and according to the customer requirements also, that they are improving the task management also. They are adding few enhanced features in workflows also. They are making it live with enhanced collaboration, with beautiful calling, with beautiful lead management, with new themes, with new workflow management, with new HR features, with new task management feature, with new lead management features. So in every department, Bitrix24 is working very fantastically for an organization, which IT industry needs also. IT industry needs automation, and automation, Bitrix24 is improving day-to-day basis. We have seen it and we have seen the results also because we are implementing for the customers. So we are going in depth of the customer requirements and in-depth feature of the Bitrix24 also. We are just not saying from the overall point of view, we are saying from the depth point of view that Bitrix24 is providing a very fantastic solution for any IT industry, and it's a very good platform to use for any software company, also for any manufacturing industry, for IT industry, for digital marketing. So it's fully optimized also, and basically the complexities, the customization needs of the customers can be solved very easily in Bitrix24, although it takes times for the implementation. But if once it gets implemented, right? So Bitrix24 is a class software for any industry. And that is what we have seen the feedbacks from the customers. As you can see our testimonials on our website also, on Bitrix website also, on Bitrix social media posts also, that we are providing a very excellent services as much as possible, and we are improving day-to-day basis so that we can be very fast, and more than anyone else we can provide very fast support and support and implementation and training support services to any client. So this is what is the total.
Yeah, thank you for sharing your insight and experience with us today, Kshitij. And we are very grateful uh, that you take your time and you share your expertise. And yeah, we'll look forward to seeing you how Bitrix24 continues to empower the IT industry, and how, I mean, we can empower our partnership with Acemagick. Thank you for your support, like always. Thank you so much for your time.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much, Hemant. It's always nice meeting you and Bitrix24 India team, and of course Bitrix24 global team. It's always nice, and Ace Magic is dedicated to provide very good services on top of Bitrix24. We are planning to just release multiple applications in the market also, and there are very good roadmap and a very long roadmap for us also, so that we can go long term with Bitrix24 and our clients also, and of course with you and the team also. So thank you so much for having me here. And it's always nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kshitij. Thanks for your time.